right, you're witnessing Dan Lee versus Grill round 2. He actually did it again. He's mad.
That's all I have to say.
And he's breaking shit.
This looks like a spatula?
Alright, so we're going to see how this, as you can see,
Oh, hold on.
dude, you're going to put the flame out there.
No, it's not on that side. Whoops.
Notice the grill next to him, though, that is now inside the grill.
Yes.
And there's the top. Notice the top of the grill has a lovely resting piece right there. Real nice. Yep, that's nice. You're special, aren't you?
I am. I really am. Whoa. Grilling glory.